EETV uses regional settings to customize your viewing experience based on your geographic location within the UK. These settings determine which local channels you can access, your interface language options, and the specific content available in your area. EETV automatically detects your location using two primary methods. First, it analyzes your IP address to determine your approximate geographic location. Second, during the initial setup process, it verifies your postal code to ensure accurate regional content delivery. If you have permanently moved within the UK, there are official methods to change your regional settings. The first method involves accessing your EETV settings directly through the device interface. The second method is to contact EE customer service directly. You can call 150 from your EE mobile phone, provide your account details and proof of your new address, then request the region change. This is often the most reliable method for legitimate relocations. Important to note is that region changes are not immediate. After submitting your request through either method, you should expect the changes to take effect within 24 to 48 hours. During this time, EE verifies your new location and updates your account settings accordingly. When experiencing language settings problems with your EETV box, the solution is straightforward. Navigate to your settings menu to access the language and audio options. Follow these 4 simple steps. First, access your settings menu, then navigate to language and audio, select your preferred interface language, and finally, restart your box to apply the changes. Channel availability problems require a systematic approach. Start by verifying your current region settings, then check for any service outages in your specific area. The troubleshooting process involves 3 key checks. Verify your region settings are correct, check for any service outages in your area, and refresh your channel list through the settings menu. Location detection errors are among the most common issues users face. These problems typically stem from network connectivity issues or cached data conflicts. Follow this systematic approach. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, clear your device cache and restart, verify your account address details are correct, and contact support if problems continue. Understanding the current landscape of geo-blocking is crucial for EETV users. Stricter enforcement measures are becoming increasingly common across the industry. Modern geo-blocking systems use enhanced location detection methods, multiple verification systems, and real-time monitoring of access patterns to prevent unauthorized region changes. The recommended approach is to always use official channels for any region changes. Maintain accurate account information and work within the established system rather than attempting workarounds. Attempting to circumvent regional restrictions carries serious consequences. Service providers actively monitor for violations and enforce their terms of service strictly. The consequences include account suspension or termination, complete loss of service access, violation of terms of service, and potential legal implications for license violations. Remember, the most effective approach to EETV region issues is patience and proper procedures. Work with official support channels, maintain accurate information, and respect the service limitations to ensure continued access to your entertainment.